Let me show you best display color settings on Xiaomi 17T Pro. So we're gonna start by opening settings on our phone, then we can navigate down until we find display and brightness settings. We're gonna go down and look for the color scheme, and when you enter it, first thing that you should do is deactivate adaptive color temperature. It will automatically adjust the color temperature, but we don't want to do that. We want to adjust it manually and have it set all the time as it is. Then there's colors. I would recommend to put it on vivid, which will give you more vivid colors on the screen. And then we can scroll down to the color temperature, which we should put more into the greenish area. So this is a personal thing, but as I said, I prefer to have it in more greenish colors as it compensates for the red color of the display that we usually have. And here, just make sure that it's on custom and somewhere around here on the color palette, and that way our display will look much better. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.